Have you ever been working out, but you don't really know how much reps to do, or like you're pulling the dumbbell up, but you don't know how many times? Because you must have heard about sets and reps and all that. Like do 5 repetitions and do it 3 times, which means 3 sets. So in this video, I'm just gonna tell you what it basically means and what a beginner should know. So what a rep is basically how many times you do the exercise. For example, if it's a, a dumbbell bicep thing, you know what the bicep is, right? It's this muscle right here, which men love so much. So you do it 1 time, that's 1 rep, and then it goes down, and you do it another time, that's 2 reps. And for example, you do it 10 times, um, and it's over 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then it's over. That is 1 set. It's like a group of reps, and the set is there. Like the concept of a set is so because you want to do another set. So when you do 2 sets, you're doing 10 bicep dumbbells twice. So 20 times. So like 10, and then you rest a bit, and then you do 10 again. Because when the muscle is tired, right? Like you keep doing this until it's tired. And then when you let it rest, it gains energy back again. And you can use it to train it again. That's why you have sets. So how many reps and how many sets? So you probably already know that it depends. But the basic idea is you want to do it until you can't do the reps again. So you're pulling it. Let's use the other hand instead. It's on the camera. You're pulling it and you're pulling it until, you know, you can't really pull it up again. Like, oh, come on, one more. One more. No, it's impossible. So that is what failure looks like. Some people do it until almost failure, but basically until it's very hard to do another rep again. That means you've reached your full potential. Because if you just do this, well, sure, it's exercise. But if you do only like 5 reps, and by the end of the fifth rep, you don't really feel any pain. Like pain, not just, oh, I'm a bit tired, just pain, like, oh, you're actually struggling a bit. You're not really growing your muscle all that much. Like you're exercising, that's good. But if you want bigger biceps, you're looking to make it until your biceps find difficulty in pulling the hand. So you find the weight that you want to do, and you pull it until you can't do it again and count. For example, it's the 10th rep or the 12th rep, or maybe even the 30th rep. Like do it 30 times and then you can't do it again. That is your failure. So that is what the number of reps in 1 set will be. That, say, if you fail at 10, means each set will have 10 reps. If you fail at 20, each set will have 20 reps. If you fail at 30, just the same. Now, how many sets? Well, the more sets, kind of the better, but it depends on what you want to focus on. So if you really want to go focusing on your bodybuilding, you can do maybe 2 sets a week, or maybe two, no, not a week, 4 sets a week, twice one day, and you do it twice a week. Or maybe you could even do more, like 6 sets a week, 3 days. You train this muscle 3 days a week, each day twice. Now, these numbers, I don't really know, I just heard them online. But the the core of it is you need to rest it right. And Well, basically, if you do too many sets, you're just gonna get super tired, like very tired. And if your focus is not bodybuilding, but you kind of have other focuses like studying or working, building muscle is very tiresome and you'll be like sluggish for the rest of the day probably. So maybe you just want to do 2 sets a day and 4 sets a week. That's a good amount of sets. Okay, that's basically it. Do it until failure and do 2 sets of it. Do it until failure, okay? Move your muscle until failure.